Congrats, Jaya, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Bhopal.
How come Bhopal to Hyderabad?
It's just because of that we are in INFOTECH. I was gradually looking for something to get me hope into like IT sector.
Okay.
And all of a sudden I found this VR INFOTECH from the social media, and I just got to you guys.
Okay. So, what's your education?
It's like I have completed from B from Electronics and Communication.
Okay.
NRI Institute from Bhopal itself.
Okay. So, what were you doing all these years?
After that, I joined a company where I was working as a QA level.
Okay.
That is not an IT sector.
Okay.
So after that, and my technical, I'm belonging from a technical background.
Okay.
And I'm not getting that kind of satisfaction while doing that work.
Okay.
So I tried very hard and to get into an IT sector, but there were some circumstances that I was not able to get into it. But yeah, after that, when I got into BRN, so I got that opportunity.
Okay.
And I have gone through it.
Okay. So, how is the journey with BRN?
It was so good. I mean, it was like I got the very minor concepts of each and everything, and I have gone. I mean, on a daily basis, we are getting our task, and we are doing it, and we are practicing on a daily basis. Like we have 7 to 8 hours of online sessions and everything, and whenever we want to do that, I mean, we have any doubts, we can directly reach out to our good sir. So
Okay.
that's how we are.
Okay. How much salary you have received?
Yeah, it's my LP is 9.
9 lakhs per year.
Yeah.
So, have you ever expected this salary before joining BRN?
No, sir, not yet. I mean, I wasn't in that thing that I should get this much of salary after that.
Okay. How do you feel now?
Now I'm feeling much better. I mean, it's awesome.
Okay. So before joining BRN, there must be a lot of hesitations on your mind because you are coming from non-IT to IT side.
Yeah.
There's a lot of career gap also. You must be having a lot of hesitations whether you will get success or not.
Yeah, right.
But you have achieved with 9 lakhs per annum. So what is the reasons to reach this success?
It's I was so much of hesitated because initially I thought that I'm not able to get into that technical background because there is a lot of gap, and the technical industry has gone. It's very it's upgrading on a daily basis. So I thought how I'll manage to nowadays people, those who are just graduating this time. So, but yeah, just because of BRN, I got to know very keen details how to get into this thing and how to go overcome all those stuff.
Okay.
They have shown me how to clear, all the hesitation, where you can overcome your things and how you can maintain it, and how you will get all your things to make it strength.
Okay.
For your upcoming IT career. So yeah.
Okay. What is the difference that have been observed for normal trainings and BRN INFOTECH training?
Normal trainings are they have 1 to 2 hours of session, and they will tell you to practice on your own.
Okay.
But if we talk about BRN INFOTECH is they have 2-3 hours of sessions, but after that it's they have 7 to 8 hours of on a daily basis they are providing, on which you can come over here, you can practice, and they are giving on a daily basis, they are giving that task, so that you have to grab it properly, whatever we are getting on our classes.
Okay.
So in any which ways, without any practice, we are not able to get into that thing. So that's how it is totally different from other institutes, because they are not looking into each and every student strength and weakness, but in BRN we can find that.
Okay. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for a good careers?
Just come to BRN and reach out to Gopi sir and Manju sir, and you can find a very good way and a good career in future for the people who are looking their career in IT domain. So
Okay.
that's all.
Anyways, thanks for feedback and welcome to Hyderabad also.
Thank you.